An exploratory study: to what extent do companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange comply with corporate governance and risk management principles? The main objective of this study is to ascertain the extent to which companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange (NSE) comply with corporate governance and risk management principles, based on the assumption that directors of NSE-listed companies will, because of their awareness of the principles, ensure that corporate actions, agents and assets are directed at achieving the corporate objectives established by the corporation's shareholders. Using survey design, closed-ended questionnaires, and secondary data sourced from the Corporate Affairs Commission, the survey instrument was administered on 35 companies selected by random sampling from a total population of 113, out of which 26 responses were received. The responses were statistically analyzed to measure the extent of the respondents' awareness of and compliance with the principles. The Pearson correlation coefficient was employed to determine the relationship between the level of awareness of and extent of compliance with the principles. The research results show that even though there is a high level of awareness of the principles amongst NSE-listed companies, negligible scant positive correlation was established between the level of awareness of these principles and the extent of compliance by the companies. An implication of this scenario for managerial practice amongst the NSE-listed companies is that more corporate resources need to be deployed to strengthen the compliance function in these companies. Stronger measures, more positive steps are required to strengthen the compliance function in NSE-listed companies to give a reasonable assurance that the deployment of corporate actions, agents and assets by the directors of these companies will result in the achievement of the corporate objectives set by shareholders. Introduction. This study looks at how well companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange (NSE) follow rules about good management, corporate governance, and handling risks. These rules are important because poor governance and risk practices have led to major financial crises worldwide, including in Nigeria. The study asks how well companies comply, whether they understand the rules, and what this means for how they are run. It also aims to see if better governance and risk management lead to better company performance. By doing this, the research hopes to help protect investors and improve how companies in Nigeria are managed, especially since similar studies have been limited. Strong governance is key to building trust and preventing future financial problems. Conclusions. This study found that while most companies listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange (NSE) are well aware of the rules for good management and risk handling, many are not following them strictly. About 90% of company leaders understand these principles, but only around half actually follow them closely. The connection between knowing the rules and following them is weak. This means that just being aware isn't enough. Firmer actions are needed to make sure companies truly follow good practices. Strengthening compliance will help ensure that the decisions company directors make are in line with what shareholders expect and that companies are run responsibly and successfully. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.